Hey everyone, are you a fan of Pokemon? If so, you are going to love this video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to get the new Pokemon team filter on Instagram. This fun and easy to use filter will add some extra excitement to your stories and reels. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the very end to learn how to get the filter for yourself. First of all, let's go ahead and open up your Instagram application. Now when you are on the screen, swipe right to turn on your camera. Now swipe through these filters all the way to the very end. As you can see, there is an option browse effects. Tap on it. On the left hand corner of the screen, there is an option for search. Tap on it and search for Pokemon team. Now tap on this filter. Once you tap on it, you will get the Pokemon filters for yourself. Here are more options on the right of the screen. If you want them, swipe there like this. It will take a couple of seconds to load. Once they load, you will able to use them. After that, you can share this on your Instagram story and you can also save this filter tapping on this icon. So that's it for this tutorial video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below, and if you found this video helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up, and for more easy and quick tutorial videos like this one, subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.